children, how are you? आज हम मैरीगोल्ड बुक से चैप्टर 10 द येलो बटरफ्लाई लेसन को पढ़ेंगे. So open your book on page number 47. So let's start reading. The yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer and still closer. But then, off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers, but butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up, up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Read this again. The yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer and still closer. But then off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. We have read this paragraph. Now what we will do? We will search words starting from S. हमने ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ा. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसमें से शब्द ढूंढेंगे जो S से शुरू है. तो पहली लाइन में हम देखते हैं. In the first line, what we can see? Sonu. Now in the next line, what we have? Saw. Next line, we can see some other word, that is sat. Now we're looking for more words. We can see now slowly and silently. We missed one word. Sat. Said. Now we can go for more words. Can we see more words now? That is all from S. Okay, now we'll repeat these words again. Now the first word was Sonu. Next was saw. Then sat. Said. Slowly. Silently. I can find more word here. Still. Now what we'll do? We will underline these words in your book also, and then write this word neatly in your notebook also. Let's go for the other word. Other letter C. C. Letter C. Is there any word in the first line? No. In the next line, I can see catch. Thereafter, no, I can't see any word here. Can. You will underline came. Next word is closer. There are closer, closer. We can go for more words here which start with C. That is all. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up, up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. Now we'll look for the letter S words in this paragraph. In the first line, I can see sailed. Word is sailed. In the next line, we can see the name of the boy is Sonu and next is splash. Thereafter, I can see some word. No word in this line. Again, it is same letter here, sat. We have done this in the last paragraph also. Now we'll go for shouted. And there's anything that you can see, you can underline. Okay. This was all for S. Now we will read these words again. Sailed, splash, sat, shouted. We will write these words in our notebooks too. Thereafter, our next letter we're going to go for is C. So, in the first line, we can't see any letter with C. So, again we have got the same words there. Same words. Can, catch. Yes, a new word is here. Climbed. Again the same word here. Climbed. We will write this word in a notebook. Let's do the worksheet now. Question number 1. We have to write words which will start from letter D, S, C. S and C we have done. You will find out the letter of D now. Now, question number 2. Search the following words in the first para of the chapter and underline the words in your book. So, which words we have to underline? Butterfly, catch, slowly, closer, garden, flew, silently, pond, lotus, floated, sailed, leaf. You will search for this word in your book and underline. After underlining the words, you will write them very neatly in your notebook also. Question number 3. Match the following. So, what is the first picture? Butterfly, leaf, lotus. What will you do? You will match with the words given on the other side. The first one is lotus. You will see the picture of the lotus and put a line. आप क्या करेंगे? आप लाइन देखेंगे कि आपको लग रहा है कौन सा लोटस है, आप वहां पे तक लाइन लेके जाएंगे. सेकेंड वर्ड इज बटरफ्लाई. आपको पता है बटरफ्लाई, देखिए आपने पहले भी, आपने ये वाला वर्ड बटरफ्लाई से मैच करना है. उसके बाद द नेक्स्ट इज लीव्स. लीव्स आपको पता है लीव्स किसको बोलते हैं? आप इसको मैच करेंगे लीव्स के साथ. ये आज के हमारे थे छोटे से क्वेश्चंस. You will complete this worksheet and send it to the teacher. So, I hope you will like it. So, thank you for today. We'll continue tomorrow.